Oh, hello, Uncle Wonga here. Today, Auntie B sent Uncle Wonga this video of this new road rage. Unfortunately, this guy do not crash into cliff, but we have some interesting video. This guy in the silver look like Ford Escape or something shitty. Lan Gui Ford maybe. He tailgate Auntie B for a long time. Auntie B not even left lane hawk this time. Sometimes she left lane hawk because she Asian. Hiya. But now this guy get out of the way, we can see what happened. So the silver escape mess and fuck with the sprinter truck van thing. Sprinter van, yeah, sprinter van. And then they tailgate, then they do some shifting lane back and forth. Maybe they cursing. Uncle Wong are really surprised here because Auntie B have loud potty mouth, but she quiet. So we see what happened. They go back and forth for a little bit, and then traffic open up, so we catch up. Auntie B camera recording skill not as good, need a little bit of practice. And then we're going to see what happened. So far nothing. This on I81, maybe in West Virginia somewhere. And then now it get good, You see? The tailgating. Sprinter van get angry. Then he going to decide to make his move here. Go on, going to see what happened. Now he on his butt, so close to his butt. Catch up here. Now, full escape give him some brake check here and there, make him extra angry. But this sprinter van say, I'm not Amazon, I get to do whatever the fuck I want. So now, full escape try to block the left lane so nobody can get through. But sprinter van learn lesson from Uncle Wong a court video. Do not pass on shoulder. Hiya. Sprinter van going to plot his next move. Let's see. When he get gap, what happened? See? Shoulder go away, nothing. Did not try to pass. Only one thing left to do. Maybe squeeze in between. But sprinter van too big, too wide, too tall. So what left to do? Let's see. Let's see what happened. Okay. Road open up. Oh. You see my watermark? That means something going to happen. Oh! Run him off road. Brilliant. That's what you get. Now for escape angry. Going to go tailgate the sprinter van. Give him finger. Tell him to move over. Oh, actually wrong. He going to tell him to pull over to fight, I think. This could get good. He say, let's go. You want to rumble. I run on the rumble strip little bit. This truck get out of the way, then we rumble. Let's see what happened. He said, let's go. Let's take it outside, bruh. But then, escape left his turn signal on. Hiya. And then this guy cut in front of Miss B. Why? Okay, get out of the way. Let's see what happened. Okay. Now they playing same game. Black sprinter playing same game, he say. I going to block the road you can't get through. Hiya. Why people do this? Just let the other guy go, you be done. Okay, now we go down the road and then sprinter van say, alright, I see you. You want to rumble, huh? You want to fight? You want to kung fu? So sprinter van pull over, he say, let's go. And then all of a sudden, Ford Escape, have no ball, just speed away. Failure. Maybe if you have Ford Raptor instead, you could defend your manhood. Hiya.